Good morning, guys. Today is going to be a good one. It's going to be straight to the point. You know, um, it's related about noise, being humble, removing distractions, and a couple scriptures. But overall, it's going to be great. Um, so I start with this. What's the definition of being humble? Personal experiences. I thought that there's people that were just overly confident. I used the word expression cockiness, or those were the ones. It's kind of like the opposite of being humble. I, I never really understood the message of what humble means. So Psalm 25:15 says, "My eyes are ever toward the Lord, for He will pluck my feet out of the net." What God is saying is, keep your eyes on me, and I will pluck you free. The humble ones are the ones that are led by God. Another scripture: I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go, and I will counsel you with my eye upon you. Psalm 32. Distractions, noise, entertainment, finances, fear, old wounds, wrong ways, creating relationships. That's what the net means. I used to always say I'm too busy to read Bible, to read scriptures. So, of course, there's always going to be distractions. If you put your faith in Him, put your eyes on Him, everything starts lining up. So, stay humble, stay hungry, be ready, clear the noise, and keep your eyes on Him. I hope you have a great morning, great weekend. It's going to be a great day, man. Grateful.